Unboxing and hands-on of Seeken 20,000 mAh power bank and Seeken 15,000 mAh power bank. Let's start with the unboxing of the 20,000 mAh power bank. A 20,000 mAh power bank and 2 cables are included with the package. The power bank's exterior is made of a pleasant touch aluminum alloy material. There are 2 USB-A ports, 1 Type-C port, and 1 micro USB port on our 20,000 mAh power bank. There are 2 cables included: a USB-A to Type-C cable and a USB-A to micro cable or USB-A to lightning cable. To see the charging indication, tap once, then tap twice to turn it off. In addition, our 20,000 mAh power bank charges your phone quickly and efficiently. Let's have a look at our 15,000 mAh power bank. A 15,000 mAh power bank is included in the bundle, along with 2 cables. The exterior of the power bank is comprised of a soft-touch aluminum alloy material. There are 2 USB-A ports, 1 Type-C port, and 1 micro USB port on our 15,000 mAh power bank. Tap once to turn on the charging indication and twice to turn it off. A USB-A to Type-C cable, as well as a USB-A to micro cable or USB-A to lightning cable, are included in the box. Our 15,000 mAh power bank will undeniably charge your phone quickly. Buy our 15,000 mAh power bank and 20,000 mAh power bank through Carrefour online or call us on 0423244747.